Hi, this is Vasily, and you are watching part 2 of Sequins flip animation tutorial. In this video I will create floating soft body pillows, and I will apply flipping sequence to its surface. Let me start from the pillow shape. It will be a cube with height of 100, and we have 30 seconds by axle settle. Let me display the wireframe. Press C to make it editable. Create a simulation cloth tag. Now go to polygons. We need to select wet loop of polygons. Let me choose loop selection tool. Click on this edge. Go to cloth tag. Go to dresser tab. Click set scene policy, and after that click dresser matic. Now I need to decrease the size of polygons. We'll choose width 2. And I will increase the steps to 50. Click again dresser matic. Now click initial state and remove the tag. I need to smooth this polygon, so I need to iron this. Now choose normal move tool. And extend them a bit. Okay, that would be our base pillow shape. And now I will create animation. To do it, I will create a circle. I will shrink it a bit. Move it here, rotate. And after that I will clone this. Move it now here. Let's add more segments. Rename my cube to pillow. Add animation tag align to spline. Draw first circle here. Duplicate with pillow. Select second tag and put circle 1 here. Now I will animate a position from 0 to 100. Open timeline window. Select all my keyframes, change interpolation to linear. Select my both tracks and change this to continue. And now I will adjust the position of my pillows by moving with keyframes. Okay, what would be my initial position of that pillow? This would be initial position of second pillow. Play. Maybe I need to adjust initial rotation of the pillows. And also maybe I need to move with circles somehow, not like. Okay, it's time to apply some simulations of body tag. Let's check what we have here. Let's change shape to static mesh, disable safe collision, click use checkbox, and change margin to 2.5. Also I will decrease that friction. Let me check mass, force up. I will change that follow position to 5, follow rotation is 0, and reduce angle of damping to maybe to 0.2. Go to soft body, increase stiffness a bit, increase pressure to maybe 1, and volume conservation to 100. Go to dynamic general tab and reduce gravity to 0. Click play and see what happens. Yeah, my pillows almost not collided. I need to adjust the part. Rewind, check again. would like to increase my margin. I want to decrease damping of all its values. Select lower damping. Title field. Now enter 5, I click and press Ctrl Enter. All my damping values set to 5%, to 5%. Go to Dynamics tab, go to Cache subtab and click Break. Okay, that's perfect. Let's add another, go to Rigging, create point cache tag, go to frame 0 and click Store State, enable Compress, enable PSR, and click Calculate. Now all my simulation recorded with point cache tag, so I'm going to clear cache and select the tags again, go to Dynamics tab and uncheck Enable Dynamics. Let's see what happens. All Dynamics is baked using that point cache tag. Now go to Polygon Selection tool, select my both pillows, type in invert, and save with selection. Okay, that selection will be used to place the sequence. Let me create a sequence shape. It would be cylinder, radius 8, 8.5. Press C to make it editable. Go to Polygon Mode, select all polygons. And I need to move all these polygons along axis Z by 8. Now zoom in. Select only top polygons. Type Set Selection. And this selection will be used to have a color on my sequence. Go to Object Mode, copy that cylinder shape, close the project, paste my new shape here. Let's rename it as Sequin Proxy. Press Alt and click Cloner. It would be Object Mode with multi-instance. Drop my first pillow here. Change distribution to Polygon Center and drop that selection here. Go to Ground Shading Vision mode. Let me create initial effector. I like to offset my sequence a bit from the surface and set initial anchor rotation as -20. Let's name it as initial. Select Cloner and I will create new plane effector. Wheel rotation, round pitch, maybe -85. Disable field color. We'll name this as wave. Not fall off. Let's disable the red button. Add the range map. Select minimum as -100. Also I will add the shader field. Change this blending to normal. Create noise here. Change this to electric. Increase global scale to 400 and relative scale by X as 1000. Let's add animation speed as maybe 5. Add some contrast here. Now drop my shader field under that range map and create a curve that will drive my flipping animation. Let me find appropriate place for it. I would like to start my flipping from collision point. It would be -100. Here would be 100. Okay, let me create the material. Duplicate this material, change color to red, here, drop that selection field. So all my sequence would be flipped as a black. In a collision event, it would flip to red state. I can apply the same setup to that pillow. So I will just duplicate that cloner and put my object pillow 1 to that field and that selection into that field. Maybe I need to clone that material, change the color to blue, and drop new material to the second clone. Now let's start with sequence simulation. Go to simulation tab, create a rigid body. In the collision, change shape to cylinder y-axis. Maybe I will decrease the friction to 50. Go to mask tab, click custom center and set this as 0.2. Go to force tab and set follow position 50, follow rotation 50. Now press Ctrl D, go to dynamics cache and click bake. Let's check. Okay, on collision, all my sequence flipping from one side to another. And I just would like to change the shape of the sequence. So that's our proxy. Let's disable them. For render and view, let's create new project. It will be on in XZ plane, it will be radius 5. Let it be 32 sides with no intermediate points, and let's move it 5 centimeters away. Let's duplicate this, set a smaller size, and zoom it a bit. It would be our sequence hole. Let's move it to the pivot point. Now I will create a spline mask, move everything here, reduce inside to make it 60. And I will put everything under extrude knobs. Let me change this. And display the wireframe. I would like to remove that artifact. And I would like to move the bottom a bit. Now I will create a rectangle. Okay, let me create a rounding for it. I will put this under sweep knobs and also put a small rectangle as a profile. Let me increase first rectangle a bit. Okay. Let me reduce that thickness to maybe 0 to reduce the sequence count. Okay. That would be an anchor ribbon, I suppose. Now let's make all editable. Press C, remove all selections, select that shape, go to ribbon smoke, select that and go on, and save selection. I will also put sweep under extrude. Let's copy this. I will paste my new shape here, create new cloner, change mode to object, instance mode to multi-instance, drop my new shape under that cloner, move it here. Okay, let me drop first pillow here, change distribution to polygon center, drop selection here. And now I need to create inheritance refactor. the effector, I will drop my first cloner, set with checkbox. Action. Then here it hold the rotation. Let me apply material. Now I will duplicate these two elements. This would be inherited from cloner 1. In cloner 3 I will drop below 1 with selection. And the other effector stack I will change inheritance to inheritance 1. And I will update the material to blue. As I will create new material for the ribbon. To improve our appearance, just increase the subdivision for the basic pillow shape and reduce size of the sequence. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.